Let me show you how to change the rear wiper blade on a Toyota RAV4. It's super easy. This blade is completely worn out. I'll show you the deteriorated rubber here in a minute. And then I have my replacement, which I got on Amazon. It's the Autoboo rear wiper blade for a number of Toyota models. And I'll have the Amazon link in the description so you can pick one up for yourself. So let's get this old blade off. All you have to do is pull these two tabs apart here on this plastic housing, and then it should slip up like that. Then you can pull straight the entire arm assembly. The wiper itself will be on a swivel here, and just bend it a little bit until it kind of pops out, and then when it's at an angle here, just pull it straight out like that. Now let me show you the deteriorated rubber. Here you can see it's actually falling apart, so that's not doing us much good with the rain. Now the new part, just to show you, this is the original. The new one here, you can see they're identical in their shape. You want to take off this protective sleeve that it comes in, and just, you don't want to install it with that on, because that's not going to take the rain off your window very well. So the way you install this is you have kind of this thick side. This is the side that faces up, and you want to come in at an angle. There's actually a bar here. You see that bar? That's going to go into this groove here. So I'm coming on like this. Come in at a bit of an angle, and it should just slip right in. Once it slips in, then just turn it straight, back down on the window, and then press your housing, click it into place. Now this would be a good time to clean your window to make sure it's free of any debris and oil, anything that would impede this wiper from really cleaning off the window. So that's how you do it. It's super easy. Thanks for watching.